Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
We've got the several different types of piers. Now, what do we do about the cosmetic repair? Do y'all get involved in that? And how about what do you do with those old ugly cracks in the concrete?
Yeah, with drywall, there's not much we can do other than just, allow you to wait a few months for it to settle into our solutions. Those piers that we install tend to have a little bit of flex for a few months, and then they fully stabilize it, and then you can then happily repair your drywall. But if you have cracks in the floor or on cracks outside, we have really good stitching and sealing of crack solutions.
Describe concrete stitching.
You bet. This was actually developed about 18 years ago. We claim that we developed it, but we never got the patent for it. So it's probably been mimicked since then. But we saw cut every 3 foot a crack in. I'm sorry, if you have a crack every 3 feet, we create a cut basically along the crack, non-parallel to the crack, and it looks like you're getting stitches from the doctor, basically. And what we do is we put some carbon inside those cuts and fill everything in with a super low viscosity type material that will bond into the pores of the concrete and the carbon. And so what it does, it creates like micro doweling for your crack, and it's like what you want, right?
What diameter fiber are you using there?
Oh, it's like, if anything, an inch. It's
okay.
Super tiny.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yep, and it works really great.
And you're going how far past the crack? Is that a 12-inch stitch or an 8-inch stitch?
It's about a 12-inch stitch.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, 12-inch stitch every 3 feet, and works great. Actually, we don't like to advertise it, but it actually pretty well covers the crack, makes it go away, and then it's ready for any flooring you'd like to do.
Well, what else do y'all do?
Well, we have all different types of concrete solutions, which is great. We just started doing tinting of concrete. And sealing of concrete. And so what we do is, if your concrete doesn't have a sealer right now, we can go out and spray an invisible coat of sealer. We actually create a little green dye that allows you to see the sealer for at least 24 hours before it dissipates, and then that way people can believe we actually put something on there.
Yeah.
And then it actually beads your water off, which is great. It protects your your concrete from damaging itself for a long time.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.